Yes, what I see is it's a further development of the DCT trials and also what was presented quite well yesterday by the Medidata presenter in regards to the electronic patient journals now electronically being transferred into the EDCs, minimizing the needs for SDVs and reducing the query rate as well. And also we see the trend of further going into Asia with a big population of 4.5 billion people, covering 60% of the global population, being an attractive place to do your clinical trials.
Yeah, absolutely. So my presentation today was about the importance of bringing art and science together when considering how we approach site engagement. So really thinking about, it's not just about giving information to the sites about what the trial is about, but also about how we engage with sites in a meaningful way. How do we inspire and motivate them to come on this journey with us?
Sure. I would say pertinent to the talk that Chloe gave today was around the kind of increasing burden on sites in terms of how complex studies have become. And added into that, I think, is the growing need to kind of bring D&I into their kind of everyday recruitment of trials.
For industry trends, well, I talked about patient-focused approaches. I feel like that's not necessarily a hot new topic. It's just something we're not quite embracing. I think AI is entering all parts of our world. Started to penetrate things like drug discovery, but also maybe making some tasks in clinical development a little easier. Generative AI helping us maybe write some documents quicker, things like that.
Actually, the topic which is always coming, it's AI. How can we use or how can we beneficiate from artificial intelligence in clinical trials management? This is something that really is always coming, and I think there is something we can do with it.
We are seeing that biotechs are trying to find the optimal solutions, balance between the size of their partners and their competencies and the price. We see an increased emphasis on the DCT approach from the FDA, which is something I believe we can significantly help with because we offer a comprehensive solution that can truly decentralize the study.
We see that biotech has been financially stressed for some time. But this has also led to an increase in actual collaboration across companies. And we see that despite there's this cost focus, we also see innovative solutions to our projects with our clients.
The first sponsors start already to trust their supply chain and give forecasts through the total supply chain to the manufacturers. And the comparator companies in between are getting these forecasts, can plan with it as the manufacturer. So it's going to the right direction to prevent shortages in Europe and also in clinical trials.
I would also say at the moment, the implementation or the deadline for the clinical trial regulation in Europe is pressing for not just for European companies, but for any company that is doing business in Europe. You have on existing studies until the end of January to register with the European medicines agencies, and we're seeing a lot of activity with our clients as that deadline approaches.